Welcome to Quest 13 Intrepid. Let's take a look at the features and tonality this set has to offer. Intrepid bridges the gap between color accuracy and tonal style. The default presets offer complete color accuracy across each of the 3 dynamic variations, giving you a natural clean edit every time. When you're in the mood for something more adventurous, the Intrepid profile can be increased to introduce a warm olive wash of color and a shift in tonality. The additional Intrepid black and white profile provides even more flexibility by converting each base preset to black and white, allowing for a shift in tone from clean and cool to rich and warm. AQ13.1 gives you accurate color, and a neutral tone characteristic maintains all the natural beauty inherent in your photo while giving enough pop to bring it to life. AQ13.2 provides adapted tonal characteristics, bringing softer highlights with gentle roll-off to midtones and slightly darker shadows, combining to add a dynamic level of contrast. AQ13.3 offers lifted shadows and muted highlights, coming together to form a soft, serene palette for a more pared-back aesthetic. When using the Intrepid profile, increase the profile to add a warm olive wash across the image, along with increased contrast and muted highlights. The Intrepid black and white profile can take each base preset from a clean and cool tonality through to a rich and warm monochromatic look.